Today we are introducing you to our controller BL104/C. As part of the ETEM automation family, it is compatible with all ETEM linear units and drives. The controller is programmed using our intuitive software ETEM Motion Soft. Once connected, parameterization and programming take place automatically. Alongside its compact design, the BL controller's integrated modules are its most impressive feature. Fieldbus standards and interfaces such as EtherCAT, PROFINET and CANopen are installed as standard. In addition to saving the space that would be required for a larger switch box, this means you also benefit from having just one controller that can be used for a whole host of applications and configurations. Together with the ETEM Linear Unit KGT 660, the controller BL104/C creates a perfect package for high-precision applications. Our spindle axle is highly dynamic, even when long strokes are involved. And while we're on the subject of perfect packages, both linear unit and controller also form part of the ETEM Motion Kit, complete with drive set, motor and associated cables. All this belongs in the ETEM automation family. If you would like to find out more about our linear units for all kinds of applications, simply click on the link in the description.